Welcome to Plan and Practice channel. Today we will see class 10 chapter 14 probability exercise solution question number 23. Question number 23, a game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcome each time. Hanif wins if all the tosses give the same result. 3 heads or 3 tails and losses otherwise. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. So we'll go to the solution. Total outcome are, they are saying they will toss a 1 rupee coin 3 times. So what will be the outcome? It can be H, 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 T, 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 H, H, T, H, T, T, H, T, H, T, H, T, 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 H, T, H, H. So these are the outcomes. So H means head and tail means, T means tail. So H T 3 times, tail 3 times, 2H first and or 2 tail first, then H tail, H T tail, H tail, or TTH, that is 2 tail and 1 H and 1 tail and 2 H. These are the outcomes actually. So total outcomes are these. Now they are asking us to find the probability Hanish will lose a game. Hanish wins if all the tosses give the same result. All the tosses give the same result means it should be if all the tosses is going to give the same, that is, or it should be all the 3 heads or all the 3 tails, otherwise it means he loses. So probability that Hanish loses the game, which is equal to 6 by totally it is 8. Losing the game means without continuous 3H and 3 tail, we have 6 outcomes. That is probability of Hanif losing the game is 6 by 8. This 6 is not having all the 3 same result. For example, it is 2H and 1T, H tail tail, H tail H, tail H tail, tail tail H, tail H H. That is 6 outcomes are there. That is 3 heads continuously and 3 tails continuously. There are 2 outcomes for the Hanish to win. If you take it out, then he will lose the count. So what are the other outcomes? Other than these 2, there are 6 are there. So probability that Hanish lose the game is equal to 6 by total number of outcomes is 8. That is 6 by 8, which is equal to 3 by 4. That is the answer. Probability that Hanif lose the game is equal to 3 by 4. That is the answer. Now question number 24. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? 5 will come up at least once. So a die has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers will be there. 6 faces will be there. Now the question is, what is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? If you throw, a die is thrown twice. So each time if you throw, 5 will not come at all. What is the probability of that? They are asking. Second option is probability that 5 will come at least once. Now we'll go to the solution. There are total outcomes is 6 square, which is 36. 5 will come at least once. What are the outcomes? If you see, it is 1 comma 5, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. Similarly, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4. 5 comma 5 already we have written. So, it is 6 comma 5 we are writing. So, total outcomes 5 will come at least once is 11 outcomes are there. Now, we will go to the first option. Probability that 5 will not come up either time. Here we are using complement probability formula, which is equal to total outcome minus 5 at least outcome once by total outcomes. This is equal to total outcomes is 36 minus 11. So at least once 5 will come, that is 11 outcomes are there. If you take out that, then 5 will not come at all. So 36 minus 11 by total outcomes, that is 36, which is equal to 25 by 36. Probability that 5 will not come up either time, which is equal to 25 by 36. Second option, 5 will come at least once, which is equal to number of 5 come up at least once by total outcomes, which is equal to, we saw it is 11 outcomes by 36 total outcomes. So probability that 5 will come up at least once is equal to 11 by 36. Next, question number 25. Which are the correct or not correct given reasons? Give reasons. First one, if two coins toss simultaneously, there are three possible outcomes. 2 heads, 2 tail, or one of each. Probability is 1 by 3. Is it correct or incorrect? They are asking. So it is incorrect. Two coins tossed possible is H H, tail tail, tail H, H T. So probability is 1 by 4. They have given the probability as 1 by 3, which is incorrect. We'll go to the second part. If a die is thrown, there are two possible outcomes, an odd number or an even number. Therefore, the probability of getting an odd number is 1 by 2. Is it correct? They are asking. Correct or incorrect? They are asking. It is correct because we are giving the reason. Possible outcomes when a die is thrown is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability of getting odd number is equal to, how many odd numbers are there? 3 by total number is 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. That is what they have given. Probability of getting an odd number is 1 by 2. That is correct. Can practice these problems. We have seen from 23, question number 23 to 25. Can go through that and practice it. Thank you.